How to fix add music option not showing in Instagram post. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram profile is professional account. Even after switching to professional account, you can find the settings. Go to 3 lines on top right corner of your screen. Scroll all the way down till you find help option. Click on help and then click on report a problem. You need to do as Instagram says. Then click on report problem. Click on include and continue. In here write, when I try to create a post on Instagram, add music option not showing in my account. Please fix this issue. And then click on send on top right corner of your screen. Instagram will send you feedback and solve your problem. And this is how to fix add music option not showing in Instagram post. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.